Sir, in the last video, we covered very clearly up to LBP number 135, sir. In today's session, let me talk about 136. So, what is this program? You can able to see here. You can able to see here, sir. Sum of first and last element, second and second last element, and so on. Okay, sir, we have to find out the sum of first element, last element. We have to print. Next and after that, second element from the last second element. Sir, make sure that the data is not in sorted order. Remember carefully, the data is not in sorted order. We have to implement a program for that. So first, let me see what about test cases, sir. Okay, we have to see some test cases, then only we will get some clarity, right? So let me open 136 problem. So you can have a look once. 136, or yes, sir, here you can able to see total 5 elements are there. First test case I am explaining. The first input is nothing but 1 2 3 4 5, like this we have. So sum of first element and last element, which is nothing but 6. So next second element, last second element, which is nothing but 6. Then 3 plus 3, which is nothing but 6. Is it our answer or not? Yes. Suppose if you have even number of elements, that means 1 2 3 4. So first we have to calculate 1 plus 4, which is nothing but 5. Next we have to calculate 2 plus 3, which is nothing but 5. Like this we have to print. So please confirm, is the logic is clear for you people? Please confirm. If the logic is clear, I will go with implementation, friends. Right. Yeah, that's what I am telling, Pratik. Suppose if you have even number of elements, middle element won't be there, because in the left side how many elements are there, in the right hand side also, so those many elements will be there. Okay, suppose if the length is odd number, then so first element will be there, last element will be there, second element will be there, next element also will be there, but the middle you will get only one element, that you have to take 2 times. Pratik, are you getting my point? That's why I explained both the cases. Yes, sir. Now just have a look once. In C language I am taking. Sir, it is a very simple. I am declaring A of 100, integer size of the array I, and then j, 2 variables I am taking. Scanf percentage d ampersand n I am taking. Then for I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus I am taking. Sir, scanf percentage d comma ampersand a of I am taking. Okay, then I is equal to initially 0, j is equal to n minus 1 I am taking. I is equal to initially 0, j is equal to n minus 1 I am taking. So while the value of I less than or equal to j, so what we have to do, you need to print percentage d, sir, comma a of I plus a of j I am taking. That's all. So I is equal to 0 means what? Initially it is pointing to the first value. Sir, j is equal to n minus 1 means what? It is pointing to the last element. So first element plus last element I am taken. Next, I is pointing to the leftmost elements. That's why you have to move the pointer towards right direction, and j is pointing to right direction. We have to move towards left direction. That's why I am taking I plus plus and then j minus minus. Like this I took. Sir, finally, that's all, program completed, right? Anyway, we will get all the values, including this. Let me run the code. Is it going to work or not? Yes, all the public test cases are passed. Even private test cases also passed successfully. Yes, this is nothing but how you can able to implement this program, sir. Now let me go for Java implementation. I want to implement the program by using Java implementation. Just have a look once how it will be. Sir, I am taking scanner obj is equal to new scanner I am taking within bracket system dot in. Okay. Then integer n is equal to obj dot next int I am taking. Okay. Integer I am creating an array with n number of elements, and integer I is there, j is there. That is sufficient, right? Yes. Now we have to read the elements or not? Yes. How to calculate middle element? See, middle element will come automatically, man. Why you are getting doubt? So no, please wait. I will take one example and I will explain for you. Okay, don't worry. Sir, I am taking a of I is equal to obj dot next int. I is equal to 0, j is equal to n minus 1. Now, while the value of I is less than or equal to j, while I is less than or equal to j, sir, I am going to print system dot out dot, so print of I am taking a of I plus a of j. Okay, sir, anyway we have to take this within brackets. Okay, plus I am giving some space. I you have to move towards forward direction, j we have to move towards reverse direction. Let me run the code. Yes, perfectly working, and submit the code. Perfect. This is nothing but how we can implement in Java. I want to go for Python implementation of this program. Sir, how you can able to solve this problem in Python? Just have a look once. So here we have to take n is equal to int of input. Then list is equal to, I am taking int of I for each I value in input dot split. Okay. So I is equal to 0 I am taking, j is equal to n minus 1 I am taking. While the value of I less than or equal to j. Sir, we have to print L of I plus L of j, comma, end is equal to empty. I am giving space. Then you have to increment I value by 1 unit, j value by minus 1. That's all. Run the code. Perfectly it is working, and even the code got executed. Perfect, sir. Okay. So this is nothing but how you can implement in Python. Someone asking, sir, listen carefully. That's why while explaining the logic, please concentrate. Suppose if n is equal to 4, if I have only 4 elements, initially my I is pointing to 0th location. Okay, 0th location. This is first location, second location, third location. This location is pointed out by j. I less than or equal to j. 0 less than or equal to 3. Condition true, right? Then it will print a of I plus a of j. 1 plus 4, which is nothing but 5. Then I will be incremented by 1 unit. I is pointing to this one. So j will be incremented by 1 unit. J is pointing to this one. 1 less than or equal to 2. Condition is true. Both values will be added. 2 plus 1. 2 plus 3. That is nothing but 5. Then I plus plus. I will point to 2. J plus plus. J is j minus minus. J is pointing to 1. 2 less than or equal to 1. Condition is fail. Suppose if we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this, if you have, then I is pointing to here, j is pointing to here, means I plus plus means I will point here, j minus 1 means j is also pointing here. Because we used less than or equal to, so this will execute for both cases. Clear? So no? Yes. So any doubts in this program, friends? Please confirm. I request everyone to respond. Any doubts in this program? Please confirm. Sir, if odd number of elements, that's what I told Shushant. I explained with the help of example, right? 2 times I explained. Please refer the video. Sir, in all cases, addition will be same. Yeah, correct. Yeah, if you take different elements, we will get different values. But in these test cases, I have taken the same values. Vidya. That's why we are getting same result. Okay. So consider my first element is 1, second element is 2, third element is 10, fourth element is 12. Okay. Sir, fifth element is 11. Like this I have. Then what will be the sum? 1 plus 11. So it is nothing but 12. Okay. 2 plus 12, which is nothing but 14. 10 plus 10, which is nothing but 20. Like this we will get. Okay. Depends on the number, beyond that nothing. I mean, depends on the values which we are giving. Okay. Sir, what is the next program that we have here is LBP number 137. So print reverse of each number in an array. Okay, print reverse of each number in an array. So implement a program to print reverse of the each element in an array. I think no need to concentrate more on this, right? Simply, sir, you can able to write like this. Directly I'm going for a program. We have to take a function, so that a function will calculate reverse of each and every number in the array, sir. Okay. Observe carefully how you can able to implement that program. Just a simple logic, sir. Suppose if 121 is there, yes, we will get 121. 131, 131. 123 means 321 we are getting. Like that we have to do. So what operation we have to perform here? I am taking integer n. So a of 100 I am taking I. So scanf percentage d comma ampersand n, size of the array. Then for I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. Sir, scanf percentage d comma ampersand a of I am taking. Okay. Sir, for I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. Sir, I want to print percentage d followed by space comma reverse of I. Okay, reverse of I. Anyway, we have to implement that reverse program. Sir, how to do without a function? Yeah, it is a very risky process, Saho, because in that for loop, again you need to write the logic, which is nothing but a very difficult process. Okay, which we can't do. Of course, it is possible, but so many complexities will be there, which is not possible every time. Okay, because in this place you have to write reverse program logic. Highly impossible, right? Yes. Okay. Now, sir, we have to write reverse function. Integer I am taking reverse, integer n I am taking. Sir, here I will calculate reverse. How to calculate reverse? Reverse is equal to 0, and I am taking integer digit value. Sir, reverse is equal, sorry, we have to take a while loop. While the value of n is not equal to 0, first I am calculating the digit value. Then, sir, what is your requirement? So reverse is equal to reverse into 10 plus d. Already we know this logic. Then n is equal to n by 10 I am taking. Finally, we are going to return the value of reverse. So let me submit the code. Let me run the code. So sorry, 1 minute. Reverse of not I, reverse of a of I. Everyone watching, simply please guide me. Saho, I am telling it is not possible to use without functions, because this entire code you have to write here, which requires additional responsibility. That's why if you want, you can try. I will guide you. Okay. So let me run the code. Program is there with your hand. Just you need to manipulate. That's all. Beyond that, nothing is required. So this is nothing but how you can implement in C language. So let me go for Java implementation. Let me go for Java implementation. How you can able to solve this problem by using Java? Okay. Sir, let me have a look once how you can able to implement in Java. So I am taking scanner obj is equal to new scanner of system dot in I am taking. Then integer n is equal to obj dot next int. then integer I variable must be required. Integer array I am taking is equal to new integer of n. Now what is our next requirement? Sir, we have to read these array values, right? We have to read these array values. Sir, 1 minute, sir, please wait. Yes, we have to read these array values. So how I am going to write? For I is equal to 0, for I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, a of I is equal to obj dot next int. I am reading the value of arrays. Then you need to print reverse. For I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, I am printing reverse. So system dot out dot println of or print of. So reverse of a of I am taking. So after this we have to print a space. Sir, you need to define reverse function or not? Yes, static integer reverse I am taking integer n. What are the required variables? Reverse is equal to 0 initially. Integer we have to take I variable, sorry, not I, digit variable. So while the value of n is not equal to 0, sir, digit is equal to n percentage 10, reverse is equal to reverse into 10 plus d I am taking. Then sir, n is equal to n by 10 I am taking. That's all. Sir, finally return the value of reverse. That's all. So let me run the code. You can see all the test cases are passed successfully and submit the code for final approval. Yes, this is the way how you can able to implement in Java. Sir, in Python, this much code won't be required, I think so, because in Python we have reverse function is there, right? Automatically we can do. No need to write any function. So n is equal to, I am taking int of input. Next, I will read the list int of I. For each I value in input dot split I am taking. Okay. Sir, for each element present in the list. So better no need to convert into integer because we have to find out reverse, right? That's why. So while printing I am taking I of colon colon minus 1. So it will print the data in reverse format. Very simple. So let me submit the code. Sir, you can see here all the test cases are passed or not? Yes. This is nothing but how you can able to implement in Python. Friends, please confirm. Do you have any doubts up to this program? Yes, please confirm. Yes, friends. So the next program what we have here is number of even and odd elements. So let me go for C language implementation. Okay, I want to implement the program to find out number of even and odd elements. Just it is nothing but something like a count operation or not? Yes. Beyond that, nothing is required. If you observe here, sir, 5. So total how many elements are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In these 1, 3, 5, 3 even elements are there. Sorry, 3 odd elements are there. 2, 4, 2 even elements are there. First we have to print even elements, then we have to print odd elements. That is nothing but my requirement. Sir, please confirm, is the concept of this program is clear for you people? Friends, please confirm, is the concept of this program is clear for you people? Yes. Sir, let me go for implementation of this program, sir. Observe carefully. Integer, I am taking a of 100. Okay, and then I and then n must be required. Sir, I am going to read size of the array first. Percentage d comma ampersand n. Now, so I'm calculating, I mean, I'm reading the inputs. I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. Sir, scanf percentage d comma ampersand a of I am taking. Okay, fine. Next, what we have to do, sir? So next, what we have to do, sir, we need to count how many even elements are there, odd elements are there. Sir, even count is equal to 0. Integer, sir, odd count is equal to 0. I like this I am taking. Now you have to find out. Sir, for I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. Anyway, you have numbers. Sir, if a of I percentage 2 is equal to 0, then that element is nothing but even count plus 1. Sir, else I am going to take odd count is equal to odd count plus 1. So finally, first we have to print even count. System dot out, sorry, not system dot out. So printf, I am going to print a percentage d slash n percentage d. Sir, first we have to count even count, then you need to print odd count. That's all. So let me run the program. Perfectly working, and submit the code. So you can see all the remaining test cases also satisfied. Okay, this is nothing but how you can able to implement in C language. I want to implement the program in Java. Let me go for Java implementation, and let us see how you can able to solve this problem. Okay, let me go for Java implementation. Sir, I am taking scanner obj is equal to, I am declaring new scanner of within bracket system dot in. So integer n is equal to obj dot next int, and integer I variable must be required. Then I am creating an array with n elements. So what is your next requirement? For I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. So a of I is equal to obj dot next int, obj dot next int. So what is your next operation, sir? We have to count how many even elements are there. Even count is equal to 0. Integer odd count is equal to 0. Sir, for I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. Every element you have to check. If a of I percentage 2 is equal to 0, sir, even count plus plus, else odd count plus plus. So finally, system dot out dot println of, so even count. Okay, in the next line you can print system dot out dot println of odd count. That's all. Based on the input whatever you have given, sir, that counts will be calculated. Any infinite loop is there? No. So it is working. 1 minute, something is wrong here. Terminated due to timeout. Sir, any infinite loop is there? Observe carefully. N is equal to obj dot int even count a of I percentage to even count odd count. Everything correct only, right? So what is the time need? Yes. So let us submit the program. So perfectly working. This is nothing but how you can implement in Java. Sir, I want to implement this program in Python. Let me go for Python implementation. How you can able to solve this? Sir, in Python also very simple or not? Yes. Just I am taking Python. N is equal to int of input I am taking. Then list is equal to, sir, int of I. For each I value in input dot split I am taking. So next term, even count is equal to 0, odd count is equal to 0. So for each I value in the list, one by one item I am selecting. So if I percentage 2 is equal to 0, then even count is equal to even count plus 1. Else odd count is equal to odd count plus 1. So finally we have to print even count, and in the next line you can print odd count. That's all. So let me run the program. Perfectly working, and submit the code. This is nothing but how you can able to execute so this program in Python implementation. Friends, please confirm, do you have any doubts up to this? Sir, when we create a method, then is it compulsory to pass parameter? No, it is depends. But if without parameters, no need to define any function, Vidya. Suppose if you want to perform any activity, so as a basic programming you can do, but the real use of function is nothing but to receive some value, to process that logic, and to send whatever user required. Okay, so it is mandatory to have a parameters on the functions. Okay, ma? Yes. Sir, now, sir, I request everyone to please respond. Clear up to this. Please confirm. Yes. Sir, one small announcement for you people. Of course, I think you know very well. Today, I am going to start one new batch. Sir, full stack Java developer batch, new batch. Okay. Sir, full stack Java developer. What is the course content? In the sense, core Java we are going to cover, then UI technologies. In UI technologies, first part is nothing but HTML, then CSS, then JavaScript, then jQuery. Okay, so next and after that, okay, next and after that, as a database tool, we are going to cover MySQL. Next and after that, sir, as a part of advanced Java, we are going to cover JDBC, and then servlets, and then JSP. These things we are going to cover in this advanced Java programming. Sir, we are going to get, sir, mini projects. We are going to cover some mini projects also. So a full-fledged Java package, sir, a full-fledged Java package, and it is for rupees 12,000 only. Okay, the people who are interested, you can attend at very evening time, sir, 9:30 to 10:30. Okay, after finishing of your dinner, you can able to enjoy these classes. And if you want only core Java, yes, you can join. Its fees is nothing but 5,000. Okay, this is nothing but what is the fees and what we are having. Sir, if you want, I will share you the link also. Yeah, framework won't be there. First, if you have any idea, then no problem. If you don't have any idea, better to learn this first, and then you can go for frameworks. Okay, if you know already, then directly you can go with the frameworks. Sir, I am sharing Node.js won't be there, but we are going to run this JavaScript in the Node.js only, but I'm not going to cover anything related to the Node.js. Sir, I shared link also. Okay, if anyone interested, you can attend the demo by today. Okay, so 3 days 4 days demo will be there. If you are interested, you can continue. Okay, and please, anyone, could you please copy this message whatever I am giving, please paste it on our WhatsApp group. Okay, please paste it on WhatsApp group. Anyone, please do this activity. Copy this entire content, paste it on WhatsApp, sir. Okay, otherwise I will copy paste. Wait. So full stack Java developer, and then core Java fees. Because I have WhatsApp in my system. 1 minute, I will do this. And if anyone interested, those who want to attend for full stack, sir, you can learn. And especially If you want Java also, no problem. You can continue in that. Yeah, yeah. Okay, Ranjish. Wait, wait. Anyway, I'm opening my desktop WhatsApp because I installed already. Only advanced Java? No, no. After completion of the core Java, we will keep one more ad with UI technologies and advanced Java. Then you can join. Because initially we are going to start core Java only. For 1 month, we will finish core Java. Later, we are going to start remaining things. Okay, that's why I am telling. Sushant, servlets they are not using now, but backbone is nothing but servlets only for all the frameworks. So automatic methods will be there, right? So at the background, it will create servlets, everything. Every framework is going to give some flexibility for you. Okay, like suppose if you take any, if you want to eat chicken biryani, what you are going to do? You will get it from hotel, right? That hotel people we can call it as a frameworks. Okay, but how you are going to prepare in your home, in the same style only they are going to prepare in their rooms, but at the outline how perfect you are going to get. In the same way, sir, servlets are nothing but homemade. Okay, at the back end you can do all these servlets activities, but for the front end user point of view, you will get some clear design, neat things. If you want to get, then you can go for this kind of frameworks. Okay, Sushant, every framework backbone is nothing but a servlets JSPs only. Yeah, it is highly recommended to learn servlets JSP, JDBC, core Java. If you are aware of these things, then you can go with the frameworks, because some MNC companies are also starting demonstration directly on frameworks. So they are not going to teach anything like fundamentals, Java, all these things. They will give 1 or 2 days training. So you should be in very perfect in that area, especially freshers. So you will get some clarity about that. Okay, but I'm not forcing you. If you are interested, you can. And soon Python batch is also going to start, so that will be mostly in the morning times. Okay, still my messages are organizing. Okay. Hmm. Yes, you can get. See, if you are attending any interview, if you keep I know full stack, because it is a high demand is there for full stack. Everyone have to attend full stack. Full stack means what? Complete. If you want to prepare any project, sir, complete knowledge should be there. Okay. Yeah, yeah, no problem. It is completely your choice, sir. Duration of the course is nothing but 3 months, sir. 3 months. But for core Java, 1 month. For core Java, 1 month. No, no, no. Freshers will be hired based on requirement. We can't give guarantee. Yes. Sir, let me continue. Sir, now observe this program. Sir, there is a small mistake in this program. Not reverse only first half. Sir, sort only first half of the array elements. Write a program to sort only first half of the array, keep the remaining elements as it is. So sort only first half of the array, remaining elements should be there as it is. So once if you see some test cases, you will get some clarity, sir. Just have a look once. Yeah, data structure is the barrier. Have a look once. Sir, if I have elements like this, sir, understand well. I have 5 is array size. Sir, the elements are nothing but 5, 1, 4, 2, 3. Half of the array means what? 5 by 2. What answer we will get? 2. So first 2 elements you have to sort. That means 1 comma 5. Remaining elements should be as it is there. Sir, is it there or not? Yes. If you take 6 elements, 6 by 3 means what? First 3 elements, yeah, first 2, right? So first 2 elements are, sorry, first 3 elements. First 3 elements. Have you observed 5, 2, 3? That means what? 2, 3, 5. First 3 elements got sorted. Remaining elements are as it is available. Like this, we have to implement the program. Please confirm, is the concept is clear for you? Is the concept is clear for you? Friends, please respond. Yes. So let me implement the program, sir. First, I am taking C language code. So how you can able to solve this problem in C? Sir, I am taking integer. Correct, Sushant. We have to sort till n minus n by 2, not reverse, only sorting. So the program is having some mistake. So a of I n like this I am taking, and j is also required. Some temporary variable is also required. Sir, first I am going to read size of the array. Okay, then we have to read the elements. I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. Sir, I am going to take scanf percentage d comma ampersand a of I. Next we have to print every element present in the array. Okay, I mean every element present in that you have to do sorting. So how to sort the data we know very well, right? Just I am trying to apply that formula. Okay, so I am taking for I is equal to 0, I less than, don't take n, we have to take n by 2. Okay, then so for j is equal to 0, sorry, j is equal to I plus 1, j less than n by 2, j plus plus. So if a of I is greater when compared with j of j, then t is equal to a of I is equal to a of j. So then a of j is equal to t. Like this I am doing. Sir, after completion of this, for I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, you have to print all the elements. Print a percentage d followed by a of I. That's all. So all the elements it is going to print, sir. Okay. Yes, I plus 1. Sorry. That's all. Sir, now let us see what will happen. Let me run the program. Is it working or not? Perfectly working. And submit the code. Perfect, guys. Sir, same thing I want to implement in Java. Same thing I want to implement in Java. Sir, how you can able to do implementation on Java? Yes, no problem, we can do. Observe carefully. Sir, I am taking scanner obj is equal to new scanner of I am taking system.in. Then integer n is equal to obj.next int. So integer a is equal to new integer of n I am taking, and integer I, for I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. So a of I is equal to obj dot next int I am taking. Next direct method is there, sir. Arrays dot sort of a means it will sort all the elements. N by 2 means it will start up to n by 2. Then for I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, I am trying to print every element. System dot out dot print of I am printing a of I followed by space. So let me run the code, how it is working. Oh my god. Oh, sorry. We have to take one more parameter. Starting from which location also you have to provide. Yes. And submit the code. So you can see all the test cases are passed successfully. This is nothing but how you can do in Java. I want to go for Python implementation. How you can able to solve this problem in Python? Just have a look once. I am taking n is equal to int of input. Next list is equal to int of I for each I value in input dot split. Okay. Next what we have to do, sir, you need to take sorting, right? Half sort is not there in the list. That's why for each I in the range of n by 2 I am taking. Then we have to compare with the remaining elements also, right? That's why I'm going to take another loop also. So for I in the range of 0 comma length of list by 2 I am taking. Okay, length of list is n only, right? I can take n double slash 2. Then for j in range of I plus 1 comma n double slash 2. So if L of I is greater than L of j, then what we have to do, L of I comma L of j is equal to L of j comma L of I we have to take. That's all. Then for each I value in list, sir, we need to print the value of I comma you need to take end is equal to space. That's all. Let me run the code and submit the code. This is nothing but what we have, sir. Any doubts up to this Python implementation? Please confirm. Any doubts in this Python implementation? Please confirm. Clear, right? Then, so what is the next program that we have here is LBP number 140. Sir, what is this program? Difference between two arrays. Sir, it is, I think already we have covered one program in the last video. Somewhere I covered, sir. Do you remember? Sum of two array elements. Sum of two arrays, right? Yes, one. Sir, same program, right? Same program we have to take. What modification we need to do? In the place of a plus, we have to take minus. In the place of a plus, we have to take minus, right? Except that remaining things are same. So here we need to take minus. Here we have to take minus. And here also we have to take minus. Sir, any doubts up to this? Please confirm. Clear up to this? Yes. So that's all about today's session. So tomorrow we will meet for the continuation as usual at 7:30, sir. Okay. Yeah. Thank you. I will upload the running notes and video. Thank you.